We leave the Valley of Fire and we head to Yuma, Arizona.
It's our blessed adventure. It's our blessed adventure.
Left our beautiful Valley of Fire and on the road. And our next stop was going to be Vegas. But we decided to move on and hit Vegas a little later this winter.
We're stopping here at this abstract art just outside of Las Vegas, Nevada. It's called the Seven Magic Mountains. It was opened in May of 16, and each formation's in between 30 and 35 feet, and every rock has a different color. So we're gonna go out here and check it out.
Something's wrong with you. I think my Abba wants a picture. Well, you want a picture? I'm on.
You can see
Those are neat.
they're all stacked up here behind us.
So he drilled holes in the middle and put things in between to make them stand. And it's a phenomenon. I guess the word is
Phenomenon.
how they wanted to put the different sizes on top of each other and make them seem like they're stacked like people stack rocks. This is a gas station called Terrible. It's supposed to have 96 gas pumps and 60 restrooms.
No, I don't.
Oh, very interesting. The things you see. This little town, historic town, look at the cute trading post called Nipton. Oh, California, Nipton, California. And we missed the sign because I didn't get my camera up fast enough. It said Nipton. The town of Nipton is for sale. So if you want to buy a town, look at that car. If you want to buy a town, this little town's for sale. What's those numbers out there? What's that say? We want to go to Joshua Tree National Park and camp, but now we're like, don't know if we need it, but I really would like to get up and close to see the trees up close. There's definitely a lot of them. Here we are, back in the wonderful Arizona, and it's 92 degrees today. No, look who we got in the driver's seat over here pulling up the RV. Don't tell her she can't drive to the gas pump. sunset is so pretty on the mountains. It's gorgeous. All the way around us. So pretty. Here in Yuma, Arizona. Back again. Here's one of our signs, the greetings from, that we always like to find. Some quaint little old historic downtown. Here in Yuma.
We got Steve here from Shade Pro installing our wheel covers today. He's getting the passenger side all lined up so he can get it all marked out. He just finished the driver's side, so as he's doing this, we'll take you over and show you the other side. So here's the finished project. This side over here, so that's going to be pretty nice. And you'll see what we looked like before. I'll take you back around here. This is what the old ones look like, and that's the wheel space. Some of us RVers have a hard time seeing at night. Most of us full-timers try not to drive at night. But if you do, you want to be able to see. So since we have been experiencing not being able to see while driving at night, we've got a few upgrades that we're making. We're changing our driving lights out, and we're changing our headlights out to make them LED. So I'm going to show you what we're doing and or what we've done. We're replacing our old regular driving lights, like here, with these. There's some Off-Road Town 8000 off-road LEDs, and here they are. They're installed in. They have a horizontal line in them, so that the oncoming traffic's not blinded. And that's the finished product. So when it gets dark, we'll show you what it looks like. So this is the look after the driving lights have been changed. You can see how nice and white those are compared to the headlight, which is kind of a yellow cast. And when you look out in front of you, you get a nice white clear beam. So once we add the headlights, we'll give you a look how that looks. And here we go. This is what it looks like with the new LED lights and the new LED driving lights.
Today is wax day on Spice. David really likes his product, the simple reflections. Just spray it on and wipe it like that, and it does a great job. Makes Spice look pretty spiffy. And no ladders are needed for this. That's what else is fantastic about it. The pole helps you reach to the top. Use that special cloth and just wipe it. And I don't think the camera does it as well as Justice is. Does a great job. And David said so much easier with just this. And now we're tearing up the poor pumpkin again. Take, what, 10 for poor pumpkin?
This is modifications.
Modifications.
This is not tearing up.
She's getting lights changed and bumpers changed and all that. So we shall see.
We'll show you after we get one done. We're gonna take this fender, take all the inner liner out of it, take the second part off of it, and it's gonna become a highline fender with a highline light. That'll give us more clearance and we won't rub in the inside.
Okie dokie. So we will show you that when that's done. David trimming down the bumper. This is going to be the before, and we'll show you the after. So here's the finished product on this one. So we're trying to keep them from hitting. So now we're on the other side.
There. That was nice. Clean too.
We're filing it so it's not rough, right?
So it's not sharp. Trying to knock the burrs off of it so it's not sharp, so it won't just cut the wheel. Once we finished all the cutting on the bumper, this is what the bumper turned out to be. So it's cut out so that the wheels fit in there really nice. And this is the final result of what the fenders turned out after we took the lower levels out and added the lights. So you have new inner liners back here and new inner liners up here in the front and a nice highline look, and we love it. So now it's time to go out and give it a try. But before we head out to do some Jeeping, it's time to fix the floor in my brother-in-law and sister's Monaco night. Monaco had a problem with leaking in their corners, so someone came out with a solution called the Guardian plate. So we're replacing the little flooring and taking care of the problem they had under their slides. And we're going to install Guardian plates on the both of the driver's side slides. So here we go. Yeah, I put a little piece of wood up in that one little corner and filled it up with stuff. Hey, do me a favor, just hold the end. Put your hand underneath the bottom of that. Yeah, while I reach up here. So just keep coming with me. Keep coming with me. Come a little bit more.
Have it up high enough?
Must be, oh, there it goes.
There it is.
I feel like it's like it's inside. It's like it's inside that slot. Hold on. Come on out here.
He said, run.
Trying to get it from the front move. Sticks up in there.
Yeah, that's why I said we want to try to get it off the paint as quick as you can out there. you got a floor. It ain't going nowhere now.
You got a floor.
So here you can see the beautiful finished product on the outside. A nice stainless steel guardian plate installed on both of the rear, the driver's side slides, and turned out really nice. And now you can see the inside. Finished the floor up, and then the final product with the new flooring put back down, and everything looks good. Now it's time to sit down and relax by the fire with the recently acquired chimenea we found on the Yuma selling wall. So we prepare it to get it ready for future use. We had to fill the bottom with sand and start some smaller fires to get it ready to be ready to burn. Keep watching for our next video of more Yuma adventures as we winter in Yuma, Arizona. Thanks for following along. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to push that subscribe button and the bell notification so you can be notified when we post a new video. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.